These are Jose's headlights off his 2016. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna retrofit these headlights and take them off, paint the inside black. He wants to do some stuff on the inside. He still has to order the parts. This one might take a while because I'm just waiting on parts, seeing what he decides. But we're gonna show you how to open these. There.
paint all this chrome. I haven't seen nobody do it on YouTube or anything like that. But the way I figured it out, like, to paint that, if you want to do it right, instead of having to tape off that lens on the inside, instead of having to tape it off and all that. I learned from the first headlight, but I drilled out the holes in the back right here and unscrewed it. But all it is basically, I don't know if you can see it right there. No, right here. See that right there? Basically, all I gotta do is pry that up. So, like, I got these tools. I'm just gonna pry it up. You heard that pop? Basically, pry it out of there. And then it's got three. Got this one, and there's another one back here. And each headlight, or each the top and the bottom, have three. And the best way to do it too, also, it's got these where you adjust the headlights. You have to turn it off, and then pop it off. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so this is the pieces off the Ford headlights. I'm trying to dechrome them, so I spray some of that easy off. And it looks like it's working. I spray some more right here, but this one looks like it's taking a little bit longer not to get the heavy duty stuff. But we'll see right now. Alright, so this is the progress on Jose's headlights for his 2016. I just finished painting them. I got the bezels for both headlights on here painted, and the whole outline. Took the chrome off, painted these. Came out good, gloss black. I don't know if anybody knows this, but this clear lens is actually part of the chrome. This whole thing's just basically clear, and then all this around it, where it's like it was chrome. Just take this clear lens off so it can daytime run light will pop right through it. But these is done. Just gonna wait on parts, and we're gonna do a video on that as well. But that's it. Everything was good.